with the outcomes of the Joint Regulatory Oversight Committee, affectionately called JROC, providing the industry with our guiding North Star. Now, this isn't just in isolation, it's a constellation. There are other key industry initiatives that will shape the sector we work within. Each stand alone and each shines. To keep with the astrological theme, it's also on brand. See what I did there? Collectively, this is therefore an incredible galaxy. So we've the Data Protection and Digital Information Bill, DDPI, which is basically the long-term regulatory framework for open banking that will pave the way for open finance and smart data even. And that is absolutely game-changing. We've also have the Payment Service Regulations Review, which is the government plans for the National Payments Vision. It really is a supernova year. And that is before we even start to mention digital identity and the work HMRC are delivering. There is so much good news. Then, if we may, just take a little look around the world. Every continent now has significant activity already underway. Just to touch on the USA for a moment. In collaboration with our partners, Oxford University and the UK government, we'll be delivering the Index USA. We'll be assessing the market impact and the opportunity for Section 1033 of the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. In short, and hardly surprisingly, it's referred to simply as 1033. Now, there is good reason to understand the impact and the opportunity in the US, because that is the largest global economy by GDP. So, making it all relevant and returning to our campfire, why is the work of JROC so important? There are many reasons. Most of all, it impacts on everyone in our industry. Now, one key topic we'll be discussing today is around the sustainability of the commercial model. And we need a risk and liability framework. Now, maybe we can adapt some of the best of the card schemes. Now, having built and run a card issuer, these protections are must-haves for the customer. It's vital, absolutely vital, that we have a fair and equitable commercial model. And that means fair and equitable for everyone. Now, currently, the market conditions are challenging. We all know that. It's tough. But there are many factors that are aligning that we can all leverage. And this is what we've all been waiting for. So I believe we just need to move at pace. And as you know, our rallying call is, come on, let's lace up our trainers. Now, open banking was born in the UK, and it's vital that we protect and retain our lead on the global stage. At OBE, we see from our audience, and we truly do, that others around the world still look to the UK for direction and inspiration. So panel, no pressure there then, hey? In a sector that's built on innovation, growth isn't abdicated to the regulators. Now, the voice and the actions of the industry are crucial. It's a collaborative and a consultative, if I can say the words, it's a collaborative and a consultative process, which is what I'm trying to say.